motion to demand discussion on the India-US trade deal. Remember, yesterday in both houses of parliament, the Union Minister Piyush Goyal has already given a statement amid disruptions that also happened in the Lok Sabha Nyamika. Now it is being said that the opposition in particular has now moved this adjournment motion seeking for a debate and discussion. But for that, the House needs to function, Nyamika.
From the very beginning, we have seen that how the Congress party is continuously attacking the BJP government regarding the India-US trade deal. Firstly, they were asking for the details, and now the way in which there are several tweets are being made by the Congress party, they are basically trying to put forward this narrative that the government is not ready to give a clarification on the claims which are being made by the United States. Now, the latest one is coming in on the part of Mr. Manish Tiwari, who has moved an adjournment motion notice in Lok Sabha to demand a discussion over the fact that the claim which is being made by the United States is that there will be zero tariffs upon the imports from US, and for that reason they are basically questioning that on what basis this decision has been taken by the government of India. The details should be given by the BJP government within the House, and that is the reason why Manish Tiwari has moved this adjournment motion notice. We have also spoken to several other leaders of the Congress party, including the Rajya Sabha MP of the Congress, Mr. Pramod Tiwari. He had also demanded that by taking this decision, it is basically the farmers' interest has been compromised by this government, and for that reason they are going to seek some replies on the part of the BJP government, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as they are basically stating that it is the responsibility of this government to give out all the details for this Indo-US trade deal which is recently being signed. Otherwise, they are going to continue with this protest within the parliament. They are going to ask these questions from the government, as they have to bring in some transparency if you talk about this trade deal in particular.
All right, remains to be seen what happens today as far as disruption. Would that be marring as far as the parliament proceedings are concerned, as an adjournment motion that has now been moved by the Congress MP there seeking a debate on the India-US trade deal? Well, Nyamika, please to stay on with us.